Want to save big on your next Temu purchase? Listen up, because I have a 30% off discount code that works for everyone. The code COM93176 gives you 30% off your order. It doesn't matter if you're a new customer or you've shopped with Temu before. Everyone can use this code to get a great discount. Here's how to use it. Open the Temu app or go to their website. Browse and add items to your cart as you normally would. When you're ready to check out, look for a section that says Enter a coupon code or Apply promo code. Type in COM93176 exactly as I've said it, then hit Apply. You should immediately see the 30% discount applied to your total. There's an even easier way to get this discount. A special link can automatically apply the offer to your account. This means you won't have to manually enter the code at all. Temu is known for its low prices, but this code makes everything even more affordable. Whether you're shopping for clothes, electronics, home goods, or anything else, you'll get an extra 30% off. Don't miss out on these savings. Use the code COM93176 today and enjoy your discounted Temu